Wild and weird. Orangutan facts. Unlike many primates, orangutans are primarily solitary, spending most of their time alone, except during mating, or a mother caring for her young. In the wild, orangutans can live up to 30 to 40 years, and those in captivity can live even longer, sometimes exceeding 60 years. Male orangutans develop distinctive cheek pads as they mature, which can indicate their reproductive status and health. Orangutans often sleep in their nests for up to 12 hours a day, ensuring they are well rested for their active foraging periods. Like and subscribe for more weird facts from the world of the wild.